How to fix Cash App won't let me add money from my bank account. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App won't let me add money from my bank account. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. After that, make sure you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You will land on the profile section of your Cash App account. Here, you will see sections that will lead to different areas of the app. So, scroll through them. I hope you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. Finally, come to the bottom of the screen just like you can see here. Once you are here, tap this option named Support. The page will start loading. Wait for it. Finally, this other page will appear where you will see sections you can use to find solutions to issues you face on the app. So make sure you scroll through them just like I'm doing here, and then tap this one named Adding Money. Next, you will see this other page where there are options that are related to adding money. From them, the one we need is this one here named Add Money. Once more, this other page with more options appears. Next, scroll through all these other options and then come to the bottom of the screen just like you can see here. Once you are on the bottom of the page, tap this option here named Chat. It is found under the Contact Us section, which is at the bottom of the page. Finally, this text box appears where you are supposed to type a short message explaining to the support team the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly just like you can see here. You can also copy what I have typed here. Hi, dear support team, I am unable to add money from my bank account. Kindly fix this issue for me. Thanks. After that, send them the message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to fix Cash App won't let me add money from my bank account.